Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which indicated that buyers were dominant with the overlapping higher volume and the volume overlapping higher value area and the volume was very low. So, it was indicating that a trend is being slowing and balancing. We can see a formation of P formation, P kind of a formation, which indicates that it was a short covering rally. So we need to expect for a bearishness. That was my view. So market opened above previous day value area. It went high and later on it formed a normal variation down day kind of a trend. It was somewhat the opposite of yesterday's trend. So here the IB was medium IB. So it indicated that it will be a normal variation day. So coming to the trade, if we see A period it opened above value area, it retested the previous day value area and it went up. B period it was a one-time frame formation. D also you can see it is a one-time frame formation. So I was in a mind that somewhere it will be a close in a higher kind of a formation. But since yesterday's long-term activity record indicated that it will be a bearish day and it will be somewhat kind of a short covering rally. I just took a risk of buying one put option that was just around 4.5 rupees. So one quantity I just took and didn't want to trade. But later on, if you can see in the G period, again when it broke the IB high, so our strategy is that to take a trade in view that it will be a normal variation day. So I thought it will be a normal variation day up day and it will somewhat close around the IB, same as this level. So I took a one quantity of call option. But unfortunately, in the next candle, it hit the stop loss. Here, what actually my mindset is not discipline. So what I did is I took a revenge trade. And in this time, what I did, I immediately purchased with a huge quantity. That means 10 numbers I purchased the same trade. That went into a huge loss. Again, I revenge traded. That also went into a loss. So I came to a mind that I won't keep a stop loss and let the trade run. So that contract expired. I incurred a huge loss. But the quantity which I purchased in the morning with respect to the perspective of the bearishness was in a huge profit. Huge profit in the sense comparing to the lows, it was not huge, it was minimal. So again, it is a very bad day for me. But actually, it should have been a very good day for me. Last day also, when huge loss was there, a similar kind of a situation was there. My view was right, but I was not able to take the profit as mindset was not in a disciplined manner. So this is the IB range. So today was around 120 something was the IB. So it was a medium range. So we should have expected a normal variation day. That was correct. It was a normal variation day. But today, seeing there was no trade because in the upside we did not get when the stop loss is hit, we should accept the loss and do not trade. But the ego and urge to win, I took a trade and it wasn't a loss. So try to not to trade if you are losing in the first trade. So next time onwards, what I'm thinking is I will just stick on to one quantity. For that, I'm planning to reduce my capital, trading capital, and to keep minimum capital so that I can trade only one quantity. And I'll stick on to that plan and see how it is. Once I am able to be disciplined, then only I'll start increasing the quantity. This I've been telling in all the videos, but I'm not able to stick to that mindset. So this is the mindset, not at ready for a trading with a huge quantity. Want to be disciplined. Always my conviction is right, but not able to execute in a disciplined manner. So in the coming days, I'll try to execute in the disciplined manner. So one of the video where I saw there is a quote that is an inspirational quote. I'll just quote to you how it is. When we are in a losing day, just try to hear this quote. It says, it's okay. Everyone has a bad days, but don't give up. Pause, rest, reset, and restart. Always pick yourself up and keep going, but never ever quit. So I will also try to stick on to this quote. I just pause my trading. I'll just rest and reset my mind, and I'll restart, and I will have a new beginning. So we'll see how it is going. Thank you.